AutoDS versus Zik Analytics, which is better? Links to both platforms are in the description below. Let's jump right into the comparison. AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping automation platform designed to streamline your entire dropshipping operation. It offers features like product research, automated importing, price and stock monitoring, and automatic order fulfillment. AutoDS is built for those who want to automate their business processes across multiple platforms, such as Shopify, eBay, and Wix. One of its standout features is the Advanced Analytics dashboard, which gives you comprehensive insights into your store's performance, helping you make data-driven decisions to scale your business efficiently. Zik Analytics, on the other hand, is a powerful product research and market analysis tool specifically geared toward eBay sellers. It helps you identify trending products, analyze competitors, and find the best suppliers. Zik Analytics excels at providing deep insights into the eBay marketplace, offering features like keyword research, competitor analysis, and sales trends. While it doesn't offer the full automation suite that AutoDS does, Zik Analytics is a specialist tool for those who want to dominate eBay by making informed, strategic decisions. So, who are these platforms for? AutoDS is ideal for dropshippers who want a comprehensive automation solution that can manage their entire dropshipping business, from sourcing products to fulfilling orders. It's particularly well-suited for those who operate on multiple platforms and want to save time by automating routine tasks. If your goal is to scale your business efficiently while keeping an eye on key metrics, AutoDS is the right choice. Zik Analytics, however, is best for eBay-focused sellers who want to dominate the market through superior product research. If you're looking to identify hot products, analyze competitors, and optimize your listings to boost sales on eBay, Zik Analytics is the tool for you. It's designed for those who want to leverage data to outperform their competition on eBay specifically. In terms of pricing, AutoDS typically charges based on the number of orders and level of automation you need, making it scalable as your business grows. Zik Analytics offers subscription plans based on the depth of research tools you require, making it cost-effective for sellers who want to focus exclusively on product research and market analysis. Final verdict: if you're looking for a full-scale automation tool that can handle all aspects of your dropshipping business across multiple platforms, AutoDS is the better choice. If your primary focus is on eBay and you want to gain a competitive edge through detailed market research, Zik Analytics is the way to go. That wraps up this comparison. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore each platform further and decide which one best suits your business needs. Thanks for watching.